For a note investor, you want to know who the first player you need to have on your team is? If you do, check out this video. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Chris Seveny with Seveny Mortgage Note Investments, where we provide you sage advice to empower you to take control of your future financial independence through mortgage note investing. So, who's that first team player? It's an attorney. You may be thinking, why do I need an attorney first before a servicer? And the reason why with the attorney is you're going to want to have them assist you with setting up your LLC, knowing what documents need to be signed with the servicer or other contracts that you have available or that you're looking to do. And also how to set up the LLC, or is even the LLC the best strategy for you to set up your note business? Because no two strategies are the same for every investor. That's the one thing that I want to stress most important to people is just because you read it on a website does not mean that that's the way you should go. I see too many people following the Facebook advice or advice on Bigger Pockets, and I strongly recommend you take the time and money to spend it on an attorney. So as you're searching for an attorney, what's the type of attorney you should be looking for? First, you want an attorney who specializes in real estate. And if they have a background in foreclosure, debt collection, that's even better, because that's truly, at the end of the day, who you're going to want to have to assist you. Now, what are some of the questions that you have for attorneys as you start to vet the process and reach out to them? So first, you're going to want to find out what states are they licensed in. So where can they actually do business? Attorneys need to have licenses under certain jurisdictions. So you'll want to understand where that is they can be licensed. Now, when you find out what states they're licensed in, the next is whether or not they follow the Fannie Mae fee schedule. And we'll do a separate video on the Fannie Mae fee schedule versus an hourly rate for an attorney. But essentially what it is there's guidelines out there for what you can charge for foreclosure. And the government set these regulations out so people weren't getting overcharged on foreclosure cases. So most attorneys, I'd say probably 70% of them, follow these guidelines about how much you can charge for every step of that foreclosure process. So the last is going to be, what services do they provide? Now, do they review the collateral? Some attorneys will assist with reviewing the collateral. Now, will they assist you with your operating agreement? Will they assist you with setting up an LLC? Now, what other tasks? Will they do a foreclosure, or do they send it outhouse to a third party? These are important questions to ask to get a true understanding of what it is the attorney does do. So, love to hear your feedback. What are some of the questions that you ask an attorney? What are some of the questions that go through your head? What is your preference on Fannie Mae versus hourly rates from that perspective? And who are your favorite attorneys? Make sure to leave those in the chat below. Make sure to click that subscribe button below to get notified of our upcoming videos, webinars, as well as information on our Good Deeds Note Investing podcast. And also check out our new membership group that we recently launched, where we open up our playbook to show you all our documents, our forms, access to our calculator, and also we're going to be having sessions, group sessions, to understand different topics in note investing, especially for those investors who are really looking to up their game and learn more about the business. So thanks for watching, and as always, go out and do some good deeds.